You wake up. Before your feet touch the ground, your mind is already somewhere else. China, America, war, money, systems, other people's lives. You have not even stepped outside, but your mind has already traveled the world. And now you feel left behind, not because of your reality, but because of what you have seen. Your brain is not broken, it is precise. It was built to understand the land beneath your feet, the people around you, the work in your hands. It was never designed to carry the weight of the entire world. But now it tries, and that is where the pressure begins. You see a road in China. You see a building in Dubai. You see systems moving at scale, and your mind says, this is reality. But it is not your reality. It is information without context. 100 years ago, you would not know this, and it would not matter. Your real world is closer than you think. It is your yard, your soil, your family, your work, within 10 kilometers. There is enough reality to build a life, but your attention has been pulled far beyond it. The problem is not that the world is too big. The problem is that your inputs are too wide. You are seeing too much, processing too little, and acting even less. Your mind is full, but your hands are empty. There is a solution. Simple, not easy. Put on your Oogklaps. Narrow your vision on purpose. Not because the world is small, but because your focus must be sharp. In the morning, before the world enters your mind, ask one question. What must move today in my world? Not online, not somewhere else. Here, then move it. The world is not the enemy, but it must be gated. When you open your phone, you must know why. You are not there to wonder. You are there to extract. Then you close it and return to your ground. When your inputs are narrow, your outputs begin to grow. A hole becomes a garden. A plant becomes food. A small action becomes a system. This is how real growth happens. Not in your mind, but in your hands. Your mind can travel the world, but your life is built where you stand. Put on your Oogklaps, not to shrink the world, but to build it. The world is wide, but your work is here. A leboge Ramasedi. Thank you, son. We give thanks to the Most High. Rah.